Hey guys, welcome back to AI Agency Mastery. I'm Kamisha Johnson, founder of Kamisha Johnson Consulting and MedCore Sync AI. If you've been following along, you already know how important it is to pick the right niche. But now it's time to talk about tools, the essential AI tools you'll need to get your agency off the ground. Guys, this is the meat and potatoes of your business, how you get to the cash, so lean in. Let's start with the foundational AI tools that are game changers: ChatGPT, Relevance AI, and Jasper AI. And please, please, please let me say this, because people say this to me all the time. Yeah, I'm using AI because I use ChatGPT. No. That's the very basic application of AI. It's like wanting to make six figures with a middle school education. Could it happen? Sure. But trust me, there's a full world of AI capabilities beyond that. But back to our conversation. ChatGPT is your go-to for conversational workflows, content creation, and even client support bots. Relevance AI, which is one of the platforms that I use, helps you build smart automations and custom AI agents without touching a line of code. No-code platforms are like the cheat code for people wanting to launch an agency. And Jasper AI, it's perfect for content marketing. Think blogs, emails, ad copy, you name it. Now here's where it gets even better. You don't have to be a developer to use these tools. Yep, you heard me. Welcome to the world of no-code and low-code platforms. Tools like Zapier, Airtable, and ManyChat let you connect apps, automate tasks, manage data, and create customer journeys, all with a few clicks. They save time, boost your professionalism, and let you deliver high-impact solutions without hiring a dev team. I'm not getting paid to promote these sites, so you know I'm telling you what really works, y'all. But let's talk about a common mistake I see all the time: overinvesting in software way too early. Trust me, I did it. I bought all the shiny new tools thinking they'd make me more legit. Spoiler alert, they just drained my bank account and collected digital dust. Start lean, choose tools that solve a specific problem for your clients, and scale your toolkit as your revenue grows. Here's your action step. Test out the free versions of ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Relevance AI, Zapier, and Airtable. Play around with building a basic automation or chatbot. Get a feel for what each tool can do, and then decide what fits best for your niche. All right, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like, drop a comment with your favorite tool so far, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next in the series. If you are interested in launching your own AI automation agency and you want one-on-one coaching, visit my website at www.kamishajohnson.com to schedule a free consultation. Let's build this thing together.